mi metto la gonna e sono più donna di te, Sarapali. Porco Dio il cancro! Muori! Traina!
Welcome back guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this graphic calculator on Java. Oh, sorry, my bad, it was C++. So here we got the initialization of the first variables. Here we got pi, here we got chat to node, which is another map. So we're going to the main function here. So first of all, I want you to declare a vector. Now I'm going to teach you how to declare a vector. Here, wait a second. My wife is using too much internet connection. Xavier! Whoa! Stop using my internet connection! Thank you. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm going to declare a vector of int. I'm going to call it 11 September. But this name is not allowed because it is sad, of course. So we get to call it 11 September Xavier. And of course we are going to initialize it with the characters. Oh sorry, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Wait a second. Where do we go? Of course we get an error because we didn't use the actual so we need to use that to declare some characters. Of course we can use okay guys, sorry, I needed to cook my dinner. So now we're going to declare here an node map. Of course we need to do it of tower, which we need to define in a struct here of twin to tower here, of course. Then we got to initialize that to oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. We need to I did some work behind the camera, and we need of course to define twin and tower. So we got a struct here. Of course we're gonna call it twin. Then we got an int, which is of course 11, initialized to 11. Then we got a std string, which is of course we need to call this date. Then here we got a string. Of course I'm up here I'm using a namespace sexually transmitted disorder. So I'm not going to use the sexually transmitted disorder right there. I'm just using string. I'm calling month, and I'm going to initialize that to September. And then we got to define not the twin, the plane, sorry, the plane class. Here we go. And we have the struct here, struct my plane, like that. And what are you talking? Listen to my class, you dumb ass. No, I'm going to give you some homework to write 1,000 times Twin Tower, 11 September. You stupid fuck. Go back, please. I just want to define my struct, my plane. You dumb fuck. Shut up. Shut up, I need to define my constructor for the class my plane. I'm sorry. I'm the teacher here. I have a salary, a steady salary. You don't, dumb fuck. You fucking douche. So here, I'm sorry for the little inconvenience. So here we got distract my plane, where I got I got my of course I have an int, which is motor power, which is of course very hard, and of course my compiler here will give me an error. As we can see, we will get an compilation error, which is implicit conversion long int changes values from 999999999999999.